How's it going, guys? You know, when I watch Leonard Skinner with everybody, the original people, blows my mind. The talent they had was amazing. Really was. I'm sitting here kind of chilling now. It's almost 4 o'clock. I had a sandwich and Cheetos. I'm trying to make small things to eat, you know. It kind of helps my stomach a little bit. And really, my stomach tells me, I got into wings. I wanted to eat wings real bad. I really did. So I got 6 wings from Papa John's. They were good, really good. And I love the way the skin was. It was perfect. I paid for that. My stomach went, oh, you should not have done that. Did I see these pills? I don't know where they came from. I have cans and stuff. I've been I don't throw it away. I try to donate it. So I just set it out here. Let somebody else that really likes canned stuff. I'm in a weird mood. I really am in a kind of strange mood right now. And this stuff that I'm taking, I'll get into that later. You know, when you get old, you start getting in a particular medication, then you start thinking about it. Is it really working, or should I go back to what I was doing? You know. But it's about almost 4 o'clock, and I'm going to finish eating my Cheetos. And like I said, Leonard Skinner's Freebird and Stairway to Heaven. I think that's it. Oh, let me see. Led Zeppelin's most famous song ever. Are you serious? Boy, I tell you what. You see, let me tell you what they don't do. They don't. Apple, basically anything music, you know, they or whatever, and they can't find it or don't understand it. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right now and lust a little bit, eat some of my Cheetos. Peace.